Committing siege, robotic steel screeched. Tractors gouged mountainous clay, carving panoramic views for luxury vehicles. Marring her face, sacking the very living earth, crude iron cut in like Gothic daggers slicing skin. In valleys, chainsaws buzzed and felled old-growth thudded to the catcalls of ogres and trolls. Lakes became muddied, streams polluted. Chained limbs evoked images of bound would-be witches dragged down grand staircases by scarlet tresses. While pulled through the canyons, echoes of distress were met by the rumble of loggers and 18-wheelers who carted trees away, swilling beer and belching diesel.